Hey guys, Chevy here. First video at the new shop. This is it's not giant, but it is quite a bit bigger than the garage. So this is gonna be nice having 2 bays. We'll have enough room. I'm gonna move that bench to that wall back there. My toolbox will be underneath the stairs and stuff. So we'll have the bench and whatever. Probably have the welder underneath the stairs there. I'll have the air compressor outside here, thankfully. But anyways, yeah, tons of room. Look at that. Caprice will be able to go over there. Booger hook can go in here. I think the Suburban might actually fit in here. There's quite a bit of room. If I move the lights up inside the rafter instead of hanging down, if I move the lights up, I think the Suburban will fit in here, and that is fantastic. Only place I've ever been able to work on that thing where I wasn't outside is at Kyle's. It's a total nuisance for him. Super cool of him to let me use this stuff though. But anyways, got some lights up in here. I was gonna take a video when I got here earlier, but it was so dark in here you couldn't see anything. All I had was that light over there. So anyways, super excited to have a space to work on stuff, and it'll be nice. So I've decided I'm going to pull the motor out of Booger hook and I'm going to put it in the Caprice. That's it. I made that decision. So you can pull Booger hook in here, you can pull the Caprice over there. I'll pull the motor out of that, freshen it up, or I'm going to gasket it. I'll pull the pan off and check the bearings and whatever, but gasket it and then paint it, put it in the Caprice. Then I'll have another running driving car. None of it will be other than Booger hook. I gotta come up with another set of heads and change that motor over and then put the big motor in there, and then that thing will be ready to scream. So anyways, that's where we're at. And thanks for coming back.